A 30 by 50 with additional space for a home gym? Well, in this video, we'll break down that cost for you. Hey Pack, welcome back. It's Eric from WolfSteel Buildings, and today we're going to be breaking down the cost of this 30 by 50 with the continuous lean-to out there in Granbury, Texas. I'm going to be breaking down I'm going to give you the overall price first, and then I'll break it down in three parts, which is the main structure, the continuous lean-to, and the gutter system. So make sure you stick around for the whole video. Again, before we do that, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell to stay updated on all WolfSteel building videos, and let's get this pricing video going. Alrighty, Pack, let's get it going. I hope you enjoyed that walkthrough tour that I concluded last week. It was an amazing building. Again, this is by far one of my favorite buildings that we have done so far. Aside from it being an all black color, it's just amazing how versatile tubular buildings can get. Again, we do have a continuous slope. We do have part of that lean-to closed and open. So it's a pretty amazing video. Hopefully this video brings a lot of value to you at home. So let's get it started, all right? So the overall project cost of this 30 by 50 with the 12 wide continuous lean-to, it's coming at $43,310 with 0 cents. Again, that price is tax included, and it's only valid for 5 days after this post date. Also, price does vary on your location. Again, this project was in Granbury, Texas. It's not that far from our headquarters out here in Fort Worth. It's about a 20 to 30 minute drive, depending on traffic. So this is how we'll do our pricing video today. We'll break down the details into three parts. Like I said in the beginning, we'll do the main structure, and then we'll focus on the continuous lean-to, and then we'll go with the accessories, which is the gutter system that ties the whole building together. We do have them on the main structure, and we do have them on the continuous lean-to as well. So for the main structure, we do have a 30 wide, 50 long, 12 foot on leg height. We do have an upgraded roof pitch from our standard 312 to a 412. That is an upgraded cost, Pack. We have done as far as 612 pitches. Hopefully on screen you're seeing those cool shots. But in this case, the client did go with a 412. In my biased opinion, it's the way to go. Something cool about the main structure, which I very like, it's how he turned it into a home gym. He has the bench press, he has the bicycles, the black mats, the weights. He has the 2 fans going from the drive-through option, you know, the whole 9 yards. It's a very amazing building. Now, he does also have a 12 by 12 non-insulated overhead door right in front of his building. It is black, it matches the building, it ties the whole building together. It's very awesome. Again, this is one of my favorite buildings that we have done so far here at WolfSteel Buildings. The client did choose to go with openers. Also, aside from other points of entry, he does have 3 36 by 84 insulated steel doors. He has one in the main structure. He does have one under the continuous lean-to, and the last one, which is my favorite one of all those 3, is the one he has that connects the main structure to the continuous lean-to. Hopefully on screen you're seeing what I'm talking about. And he also has a 10 by 10 roll-up door in the back of the building. Now you're probably wondering why that door is white. Our supplier does not have black roll-up doors, but our client will be painting this 10 by 10 roll-up door in the future, which will make it an all black building, tying the whole building together, which is pretty awesome. Again, I was telling him when I went out there to do the tour, I was like, man, this has to be the best building that I've seen so far. I think so too. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, if you guys would do an all black building. Everything that I have mentioned so far, which is the main building, the 30 by 50, the 12 by 12 non-insulated door with the openers, the 3 steel insulated doors, which are 36 by 84s, and the 10 by 10 roll-up door, which is located in the back of the building. We are looking for a building cost of $30,229 with 0 cents. Now that includes delivery, installation, and tax. You might have noticed from the tour video that there are 6 windows. These are called transom windows. We have 3 on the right hand side of the building and then 3 by the roll-up door. Now these are custom windows and the client did provide them when we were erecting his building. Now let's focus on the continuous lean-to, which is by far my favorite section of this whole building. Again, this is how much versatile these buildings can get. You can design your tubular building on a 3D designer. And Adela just made an amazing video on how to use our 3D designer. Please check out the video. It's very valuable with lots and lots of information. But going back to the continuous lean-to, marketing, please help me out on peak height. All right, so we'll stay focused on the peak height, right? And then we'll slow down all the way to the low side, which is 8 feet, right? We have 8 feet on the low side, and then we have 12 foot on leg height of the main structure, and then we'll have our peak height. This is a continuous lean-to. It is a 12 wide, 50 long lean-to. 30 feet of that lean-to is open space, and the remaining 20 feet is enclosed, which our client will be using to store Christmas decoration or just storage. You can see in the video he already installed some commercial storage racks. Those are pretty useful. I really like them. I know my dad and my mom, they use them all the time for Christmas, for Halloween, for Easter, the whole 9 yards. They're very useful. But yes, going back to the open part of that lean-to, I do love how it has 3 open frame mounts. But not only that, Pac, our client upgraded to the open frame mounts, right? So you can't see any exposed tubing, any framing. He did also eliminate the base rail, which in this case, hopefully on screen, you're watching a video of a tour that we just did that the client, opted out of not covering all that up. And then we'll go back to our client that here with the continuous lean-to on how much a difference that can make on covering up your exposed framing and not covering it up. You'll be the judge of that. In my opinion, I do like this option a lot better. So the total price of the continuous lean-to, we're looking at $10,159 with 0 cents. Now this includes the 12 wide by 50 long, the 30 of open space, and the 20 feet of enclosed section. It also includes the 3 open frame mounts. Now, all of this includes delivery, installation, and tax. All right, Pac, so we just got the pricing for the continuous lean-to out of the way. Let's moving into another accessory, which is the gutter system. We do have 3 downspouts on the continuous lean-to, and then we have another additional 3 downspouts on the opposite side of the building. Aside from managing the water flow, it also helps in maintaining the structural integrity of the building. Excess water around the foundation can weaken over time, leading to cracks and other issues. Now, the total cost for the gutter system, we're looking at $2,922 with 0 cents. This includes materials, installation, delivery, and tax. So we just covered the main structure price, the lean-to price, and the gutter system. Let's total that all up, and we're looking at $43,310 with 0 cents. Again, Pac, this includes materials, delivery, sales tax. Again, this price is valid 5 days after post date. Now, you might be wondering about the concrete. We did not do the concrete foundation for this project, but we did run some numbers. If we would have done the concrete on this project, we are looking at $24,675 with 0 cents. It all depends on location also, which also includes delivery, installation, and tax, rebar, perimeter footings, internal cross beams, vapor barriers, and the notch detail as well. All right, Pac, I hope you enjoyed that video, that pricing video. Again, it's an all black building. It's a 30 by 50. We do have a continuous lean-to, which is a 12 wide by 50, 30 of that 50 feet is open space, and the remaining 20 it's an enclosed section. But if you're thinking about going with an all black building, please make sure to check with your county or your HOA for any restrictions in using black as your metal building. Some may not allow it, but the good thing about it, we do send out color samples so you can check them out and give them to your HOA representative. This building was sold by David and the Dream Team. So congrats, David. Congrats on another amazing building. His information will be on the screen. Again, that's David and the Dream Team. They made this dream a reality. But if you're thinking about pulling the trigger on a building, just give us a call. David will be more than happy to help you out. So leave a comment down below if you would go with an all black building. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully this video brought a lot of value information for you at home. Again, Pack, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Hit that notification button to stay updated on all your metal building needs. Again, we always drop content on Tuesdays and Friday at 5 p.m. And this is Eric, and signing out. We'll see you guys on the next one.